Hey guys, I wanted to get on here and explain our center for this week. So in our center, you're listening to two videos about Theodore Roosevelt. You're going into the reading tab and ignore my cats, they're being crazy. You're going to go to the reading tab and you're going to watch these two videos about um, Theodore Roosevelt. There is going to be a third video of me reading the read aloud on Epic. If you need it to be read aloud to you, that is fine. I will have that video on here. Excuse me. It is not on there yet because I'm about to record it. So make sure when you're over at the center, you have your Chromebook, your headphones, and a pencil. You're first going to get to Google Classroom and you're going to watch these two YouTube videos right here. Then you're going to watch the read aloud of me reading the text. When you're done listening to the read aloud book, you can go into Epic to have the book in front of you to help you record your facts, or you can rewatch the video and just pause it, however you need to do it. But you have both of those at where you can. So you'll just have to log into Epic. The book is assigned, so you'll just have to go into your assignments. It'll pop up, and you're going to use that book to help you write down your facts, or you can pause the video. Oh, I'm sorry. And then you'll record your information on your fact sheet. So make sure you're getting that completed. Make sure when you're at the center that we're being responsible at the center and that we are staying quiet at the center. Do not make me have to say for you to be quiet when you're at the center, because then you will lose your dojo point and you'll have to go back, sit down, and you won't be able to participate in any fun center activities, okay? So I want you to be responsible at the center and make good choices, all right? I'm going to record the book now. Make sure you work hard. Bye, guys.